Moonbeam Dreams, Unlocking the Magic of Imagination in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and imaginative phrase, Moonbeam Dreams. This phrase is not just about words, but about how language can paint pictures and evoke emotions. So, let's dive into the world of imagination and meaning together. Moonbeam refers to the light of the moon, which is often seen as gentle, calm, and magical. In literature and poetry, moonbeams are associated with dreams, creativity, and serenity. The word, dreams, on the other hand, can mean both the experiences we have when we sleep and our aspirations or wishes. So, moonbeam dreams might suggest dreams that are as soft and enchanting as moonlight. It could represent hopes and desires that are beautiful, serene, and somewhat ethereal, like something out of a fairy tale. This phrase invites us to think of our most peaceful and magical aspirations. Language is not just about conveying information. It's also about creating images in our minds. Imagery is a powerful tool in language, especially in English, where many words and phrases evoke sensory experiences. By using phrases like moonbeam dreams, speakers can create vivid pictures and emotional responses. This is especially common in creative writing, such as poetry and storytelling, where the goal is to engage the reader's imagination and feelings. You might wonder, how can we use phrases like moonbeam dreams in everyday English? These expressions are great for creative and descriptive purposes. For example, in storytelling, you might say, "She had moonbeam dreams about a world far away." In everyday conversation, these phrases can add a poetic touch. For example, if someone asks about your hopes, you might reply, "I have moonbeam dreams of traveling the world." We hope you enjoyed exploring the phrase, moonbeam dreams, with us. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the worlds they create in our minds. Keep dreaming and keep learning, and may your journey in English be filled with moonbeam dreams. See you in the next video.